Welcome to the crypto nest. Alright, so Cronos, it's been a while I didn't cover it, so let's do that. So let me zoom out a little bit, maybe on the daily. Okay, so we had an A, B, C for a wave 1. We did touch this very long-term downtrend. And alright, so now we had a B wave here. Yeah, A, B, C. And I count this as a wave 2. And now, because it's a ABC or diagonal, we for this third wave we are going to have as well an A, a B, and a C. Now the problem that I'm having is that this B wave is very deep, and yes, B waves can also overshoot, and since the direction of this B wave was down, then it can make a new lower low if he has to. Now, is it going to do it? I don't believe so, because that was 4 cents 4. Now, what we need now is any sign prove us that this C wave is started and this B wave is finished. Now I can extend this trend line here in yellow. Let's see here. So it almost touched this trend. Now it's not good that today we had this strong rejection. That's not very good. What's the percent of this rejection? My dear God. 18% is not good. This is the daily. So in the last 1, 2, 3, this is the 4th day. We had a spike of 50%. Now, if we're dropping 18, it's not the end of the world. But, visually, it looks a lot. Fine. Anyway, so nothing changed, unfortunately for Cronos. And now we really need Cronos to do something. Now, if we can at least use this very long-term yellow downtrend as a support, would be great. And so maybe price can try to chill off between those two levels here, regain some RSI levels that I'm guessing it shouldn't be that low. Daily, actually, it's still not bad, but I would love if it can go back a little bit. Perhaps, if it goes on the side, it can regain these oversold levels, and then we can really break out. The thing is not good. We just made a dead cross recently. This is when the MA 50 goes below or cross below the MA 200, which is the blue line. Not very good, and it's indicating that the price is going lower. Well, no surprise, since when that beginning of November, price is in a decline. Yeah, so that's for Cronos. I was trying to see if I can combine some coins, because make it easier for me, less uploading. This is where is Kava? Okay, let's do Kava. Okay, so I think we are pretty much invalidating this this 4th wave now. These 4 waves here. Possible 5 waves. And I'm going to say that this was an A, B, C for the wave 1. So wave 1 here, this is wave 2, and possibly 3, 4, 5 eventually, if it ever happens. I'm going to remove that. I do believe now this is more viable. I don't believe into this one anymore, honestly. Maybe I'm going to put it back eventually. I'm going to leave it for a moment here, but honestly, I think now counting this as a B, and a C makes more sense for a wave 1. This is allegedly wave 2, and it's making this count a little bit stronger, and I do find it does fits better now. And so and we also have an A, a B. Did we manage to do a lower low? Maybe this is not done. Maybe it's not done. Maybe we need another lower low to really seal the deal. And now what we want the price to break out from this green downtrend line and prove us that, you know, it can do something more bullish, and it can go and rejoin ideally the $1, and definitely, yeah, this 74 cents. Well, for sure this coin I don't believe is going to do a higher high in this cycle, and this is why we need to do management risk. I don't believe it's going to reach the $10 or $8 that it did before, because it's so away from that target. And you see here, it's crazy, right? It didn't even reach. Actually, let me check. I think something off here. Yeah, the fib retracement, I'm not there. So what is this? This is the fib retracement I took from the top of the wave 1 to the bottom of this bear market, and you can see that I mean, where is the price here? So where we just recovered, we are in the 0.886 and 0.786 fib retracement. We are there. The max it didn't even touch the 0.618. So we are that far from just equalizing the next or the previous high. And let me once again check here. From the current price to the previous top, you need to go up like almost 2000%. You know, you see how this starts to become crazy. And I don't think we're going to see spikes like this when we saw before, because previous cycle was impulsive, and now the structure is diagonal. All right, now I want to do Orca. So we have this scenario ABC for the wave 1, wave 2. Now, did we got invalidated? That's the thing. Ah, man, I hate when it does that. All right. Okay, so A, B, C for wave 1, wave 2. Now, I do start to have a problem with this one, because if this is wave 2, you can see that, first of all, it cannot afford to go much lower. Actually, it can go a little bit lower. Sorry about the noise. I have a cat I'm holding for a friend, and is making a little bit of a noise. I don't know if you can hear it. Okay, so A, B, C. So we do have some room left to go, and this would imply that this is the A, this is a B, and still working on the C wave for this wave 2. And honestly, unfortunately, it seems like we're going to do that, because I was counting this as a wave. This was a wave A, and this is a wave B, but now price really need to reverse and give us a skyrocketing movement for this C wave. Otherwise, yeah, if it goes below 0.8, I mean, now this is hard. It's hard because wave B can overshoot, so it means it can go much lower, and wave 2 still have some room to go down. So it's unclear, honestly. Yeah, so I still have room to complete that second wave, but now this is the problem, is delayed from Bitcoin cycle, and then when Bitcoin is finished with this cycle, that's it. So this coin could be just destroyed. And this is the challenge of all the altcoins. They need to do their cycle faster than Bitcoins. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Once again, go check out our Discord channel. It's free for the moment. And if you have any comments, any stocks, or any cryptocurrency that you want me to analyze or try to analyze, drop down in the description and try to do that. All right, have a good day. Bye.